Welcome to Buy Spares. This video shows replacing the seal on a Samsung washer dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. The process of changing this seal on this machine is similar to LG washer dryers. For different makes and models, see our other videos. If the seal is stained by mould or damaged and leaking, it needs to be replaced. Take off the cabinet top by undoing these screws and sliding it back. Next, remove the detergent drawer and the screws holding the front panel on. Before disconnecting the plug and removing it. Remove the bracket from the top of the machine. Open the door and remove the seal off the heater tunnel by undoing the clip. Remove the retaining band. Lift the seal from the edge of the front panel. Loosen the retaining bolt and ease the seal from the tub lip and lift it out. Clean the tub lip before fitting the new seal. Before fitting, lubricate the new seal's lip if required with liquid soap and fit it onto the tub lip. Then fit and tighten the clamp. Fit the heater back into position and attach the seal to the end. Pass the seal through the door opening, fitting it to the front panel. Fit the retaining band. Refit the top bracket. And connect the front panel before refitting the screws and the drawer. And then the top cover. Finally run a test cycle and check the machine after the repair. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.